Hey there guys, Jason DePaoli here from the trainersedge.co.uk, soon to be the Edge Strength and Conditioning, coming real soon. So just going to do a little topic I'm going to quickly touch upon here. Now as I'm now sort of in my mid-40s, I want to concentrate more on elderly people or the senior demographics. So people from my age, 40s, 50s, 60s plus, because I think I've got more connection now. I'm getting to not middle age, but my late 40s, early 40s, no, middle 40s. Don't want to be in late 40s just yet. So I want to sort of concentrate more on those people, on that demographic, because now I've got the experience. Like I say, I've said many times, 15 years as a personal trainer, now strength and conditioning coach. I know a lot more about how to get you stronger and fitter much quicker than I did even 5 years ago. I'm learning stuff all the time. So this is why I'm going to say that strength training for seniors and adults, so older adults, is much more important. So I'm concentrating much more on mobility exercises, flexibility, more core work, not crunches, more like dead bugs, side planks. I've said this before, anti-rotation, anti-flexion, anti-extension exercises. This is going to help you support your core and support your spine and your lower back, because I know a lot of people nowadays have lower back issues. Even I do. I'm feeling it even today after skiing. So yeah, so just a little word there about, see if you're in your mid 40s, early 50s, come and hit me up. I can definitely help you because I've got lots of experience in this area, and just give me a bell, or give me a message or email. So this is just Jason DePaoli here from Austria, just walking back to the hotel, and I shall see you on another video coming real soon. Cheers.